Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Time Machine icon to your Mac's menu bar. Perfect if you use Time Machine for backups and want quick access to check status or start a backup manually. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps and keeps more Mac tips coming your way. Thanks. Alright, let's dive in. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and go to System Settings. In the sidebar on the left, scroll down and click on Control Center. Now scroll through the list until you see Time Machine. If it's currently set to Don't Show in Menu Bar, you'll want to change that. Click the drop-down next to Time Machine and select Always Show in Menu Bar. That's it. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see the Time Machine icon, which looks like a clock with a circular arrow. Clicking it lets you check backup status, start a manual backup, or enter Time Machine to restore files. Super handy if you use Time Machine regularly. If this video helped, hit like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.